out of direction.
Oh shoot.
No, not oh shoot. Oh!
Oh damn.
Knocked him.
I messed up, Martinez.
Yeah, you did. It's okay though.
You ready? Let's go.
Making him hold the high ground like that. Oh, here he comes. 30, killed him. Got your basement. Oh.
Got him.
Wow, what a deal. Man, my boat's inside though. Here's shots. Your health is decreasing rapidly. Should seek medical attention. Call out of direction.
Oh shoot.
No, not oh shoot. Oh!
Oh damn.
Knocked him.
I messed up, Martinez.
Yeah, you did. It's okay though. Where's this dude's buddy? Is he a solo?
No, no, no. Right there, right there. Nice.
Ooh, directly in front of us. Maybe we're gonna have to kill this guy. Oh my god, I grappled him so good. You can have that gold tack right there. Boxed up a little bit. Oh, okay, I see him over there. Oh, lasered this dude. He is pissed. He's a sniper guy too. Took off all his shield though. Gold Scar did not fail me at that moment.
Oh, you got the good gold scar.
Do I? No, it's just regular.
No, you got the mythic. The color, the yellow color.
I don't know, it looks regular. Oh, glider. Ooh. Ooh, lasered him again. Broke his shield on the bridge. His other buddy's over here. Oh!
Oh, and there's 2 left. Oh no, there's 8.
Oh no! Where?
I don't know.
Oh no!
Oh, from behind, Martinez. I think they're right next to us.
Oh no! I didn't have any health. It was such a good play. 3rd place. What a warm-up game.
Huh?
As you were feeling alive.